Today we got DRZ400 and a dead battery. So he was saying something about a parasitic draw. See what this battery has here. Dead. These little accessory wires are for here. Looks like he's got a MagSafe charger here. So let's see what kind of draw we got on the battery. For amperage, we have to check in series. We got it in series. All right, so we got no amps going through my amp meter, so that means the fuse is probably blown. Now set the meter to ohms. I'm just checking the fuse. Now we can power on the bike through the meter and you can see the draw. Hitting the brakes increases and turning the power off, there's zero draw. Back to ohms on the meter and we'll just check the ground to the battery. Will it start? Yeah, we'll see. That was just bad luck. I had to say something. Maybe not charging. I like it. Don't get zapped. I'm just going between each one of the windings, making sure they're the same. What do you want to see there? So we know these are putting out good. They're all equal at the same RPM. So now we're just going to check for grounds. Check each one of these to a good ground. And you want to see nothing. Because the stator could be making the regulator go bad. So nothing. We check them on each other. 2.8, 2.0, 2.0. Looks good. So just gonna go over, check all the connectors, make sure there's no pins pulled out. And I'm gonna put this boot back on here. So I'm gonna get one of these on the way. We verified the battery's okay, and we verified the stator's okay. So there's only one thing in between. Let's see if this will get us back on track. This is a relatively easy fix, but the problem is, guys, just throw them back together. Corrosion gets in there, increases the resistance of the plug, and that makes this work a hell of a lot harder to charge the battery. You got to go through all the related connectors, make sure that they're corrosion free, or else you're just going to fry your regulator again. I'm going to go through all these connectors and add some dielectric grease. That's the secret sauce right there. Throw a zip tie on there. There is no chance that this goes on there like that. I want to say something like that, maybe. That makes more sense. Moment of truth. All right, battery's where it's supposed to be, 12.8. Where we want to be. And rev it up, doesn't go over 15 volts. Regulator's doing what it's supposed to do. My man. Beast is ready.